Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to find Tonkeeper wallet address. So if you also want to find Tonkeeper wallet address, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open Tonkeeper application. You can see over here Tonkeeper wallet application is opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now at the top you can see option for wallet. If you tap on it, drop down menu will appear. Simply tap on the option wallet. You can see this kind of options will appear. You'll be able to see all the available wallets over here. Tap on the specific wallet of which you want to see the address. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top, you'll be able to see the current balance, and just below it, you'll be able to find the Tonkeeper wallet address. If you tap on it, you can see over here the wallet address is copied. Now you can use this address for depositing or withdrawing the funds from your Tonkeeper wallet. And for more details, you can go to settings. Simply tap on the settings option that you can see at the top right corner. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several options over here. Scroll down. Find the option for address update. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you can see more details about your Tonkeeper wallet address. You'll also be able to see the old address and new address. If you tap on the address, you can see over here it will be copied. So that is how you find Tonkeeper wallet address. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.